Hello people from the internet and welcome to my online tutorial on today how to create Respring Logos. These Respring Logos will be usable on any jailbreaked iPhone with Winterboard installed from iOS7. I will demonstrate this whole tutorial with the tool Gimp, which is very cool and practical to use. Yet this is also possible to do with the LunaPic online editor, where you don't have to install any additional applications to your computer. In the end of this tutorial we will have a Respring logo on our iPhone that shows up every time we respring this springboard. It will look like this, and this is an example on the iPhone 5, the left side on the black iPhone 5 and the right side on the white iPhone 5. Before starting this tutorial, I assume you already created an optimized version out of your preferred logo, so that this logo is converted into this one. I have done 2 tutorials on this, either with the LunaPic online editor or with the Gimp editor, and to start this tutorial you need the optimized version and you need to have followed either one of the tutorials. The logo we will create in this tutorial will not show up when we reboot our iPhone. For custom boot logos we need the tool Animate, which enables custom boot logos on any iPhone up to the iOS 8. To start with, I will just create a new folder inside here and call it nielstron bootlogo.theme. The .theme extension is necessary for Winterboard to understand that this is a theme it will later on be able to use. We will now edit our image with Gimp or LunaPic, whichever program you prefer, and I will demonstrate this with Gimp. What we'll basically do is to rescale and save the image with other names so that Winterboard can apply them on the iPhone system later on. To rescale it, click on Image, Scale Image, and scale it to an image width of 129 pixels. The height is independent and may stay as so that the proportions keep. So we will just have a tiny version of the original logo. Now click on File, Export, then go into the folder nielstron.bootlogo.theme and save it with the name apple-logo at 2x.png. Export, leave the default settings and export the image. Now again, without any editing, click on Export and now export it as the same name, but in the end you postfix it with the ~iPhone suffix. Export again, default settings, and there you go. This is the boot logo for the iPhone 4 and 5 and 6, and only for the black iPhones, as there the boot logo is white. For the black iPhone 6 Plus version, which has a higher resolution, we have to create the same logo but a little bit bigger, so we click on Edit, Undo Scale Image so that we have the original image again, and now scale it to a width of 194 pixels. Scale and then export to the same name as before, Apple logo at 2x.iPhone.png, but with a 3 but a 2, because this is not anymore the Retina, the 2 times resolution, but the iPhone 6 Plus resolution with a 3 times as big as the original resolution. So we have Apple logo at 3x.iPhone.png. Click on Export and there you go. To create this logo as a black version for the white iPhones, we will just repeat that whole process with a black version. So click on Edit, Undo Scale Image, Colors Invert, Image, Scale Image to 129 pixels, and now click on File, Export, Apple logo minus black at 2x.png and export it. And again, export to Apple logo minus black at 2x tilde iPhone.png. And again, undo scale image to 194 pixels, and export to Apple logo minus black at 3x tilde iPhone.png. At this point, you could just stop, make a zip archive out of your theme folder, go to repo.nielstron.de, submit your own logo here, sign up, and choose Respring Logo, enter your name, and fill out all the stuff. Put your icon here, and the logo would be uploaded within an hour, and you could install it with Cydia. If you want to install it manually or create your own Debian file, just follow the tutorial further. For manual installation, we have to tell Cydia that the logos inside this folder have to go to a specific location on the target device. So we will add some more folders inside this nielstron.bootlogo.theme folder. First we create a folder called bundles, and inside that folder create a folder called com.apple.progress UI, and now drag and drop or cut these images and drop them in the deepest folder in this hierarchy. For manual installation, you now have to somehow access the file system on your iPhone. For this, I use the tool iFunbox. It enables access to the full file system over Windows computers on the on Windows. There are thousands of tutorials in the internet. I will link some in the description for you to follow and to access your device's raw file system. For this to work, you need to have already installed Winterboard. If you install it afterwards, this won't work. So please, if you haven't done so yet, install Winterboard now. Then access the raw file system of your iPhone and navigate to Library, Themes. In there, drop your theme folder, and when you now start Winterboard, nielstron boot logo should be shown, or Respring Logo, or however you named it. I hope you liked this tutorial and maybe consider watching my other tutorials. Thanks for watching.